So bachcho, let's read the question. The question says in each of the following questions, a statement of assertion is given followed by the corresponding statement of reason. Of the statements, mark the correct answer as. So options are A, if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B says if both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C says if A is true but R is false, and option D says if A is false but R is true. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमको assertion and reason की statements given है and we need to find out the correct answer. Assertion की statement है that the stretch receptor on the walls of urinary bladder do not signal the CNS when the urinary bladder fills with urine, and reason इसका है that micturition is a voluntary process. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा की कंसेप्ट हो जाएगा micturition, and micturition is defined as the process of excretion or the removal of urine from the urinary bladder. अब हम मैकेनिज्म समझते हैं मिक्चुरेशन का. एज द urinary bladder fills and starts stretching the walls. स्ट्रेचिंग अगर स्टार्ट हो जाती है वॉल्स के अंदर, तो वॉल्स के अंदर ऑलरेडी स्ट्रेच रिसेप्टर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं which gets activated and they signal the CNS by sending the impulse, and from the CNS the motor nerves or the motor neurons take the signal to urinary bladder, which initiates the urination process or expelling of urine outside the urinary bladder, because these stretch receptors initiate the contractions in the urinary bladder. So this पूरे mechanism को हम कहते हैं micturition, and micturition is basically a voluntary process, because जो pelvic muscles होती है हमारी, pelvic muscles and urethral muscles वो हमारे कंट्रोल में होते हैं. नाउ अब हम स्टेटमेंट्स वापस रीड करते हैं. स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट सेज दैट द स्ट्रेच रिसेप्टर on the wall of urinary bladder do not send the signal to CNS when the urinary bladder fills with urine. ये स्टेटमेंट हमारी इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगी because we know that stretch receptor signal send करते हैं to CNS which initiate the process of micturition, and second रीजन दिया गया है that micturition is a voluntary process. ये स्टेटमेंट हमारी करेक्ट है. So the final answer for this question turns out to be option D, which is assertion is false but reason is true. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.